Why does cleaning your hard floors have to be such hard work? Sweeping, scrubbing, mopping.
Even if it looks clean, invisible bacteria could just get spread around. Presenting the amazing VAX Glide.
It's a cordless hard floor cleaner that can save time. Because it vacuums, washes, and helps dry at the same time.
Lifting away dirt and bacteria fast in one easy step. It's got an advanced multi-surface brush roll. What does that mean?
It means it can do this. It's got twin tank technology. What does that mean?
You're always using a mix of clean water and VAX solution that kills 99.9% of bacteria.
And high power mode? That means it can even do this.
Its revolutionary VAX ONEPWR battery gives you up to 30 minutes high-performance cleaning.
And can power every other product in the VAX ONEPWR system.
When you're done, your floor's dry and smelling fresh in minutes. With a squeeze of the trigger, the VAX Glide gets on with cleaning itself, and the dirty water gets poured away.
So you can get on with this.
Clean hard floors fast and easy with the amazing VAX ONEPWR Glide.
VAX ONEPWR. Endless possibilities.